Rare Parts Steering and Suspension is hiring for our manufacturing department. Check out this video and you could be the next member of our Rare Parts team. At Rare Parts, we specialize in automotive steering and suspension for vehicles built 1920 through today. We manufacture obsolete steering parts and we distribute current popular steering parts from other major manufacturers. We serve wholesale and retail customers along with auto parts stores, repair shops, and more. As a production machinist at Rare Parts, you'll manufacture our US-made automotive steering and suspension parts. You'll set up and operate a variety of production equipment including CNC and manual machines. We manufacture in small lots of high-mix steering and suspension parts. You'll follow your work orders through the manufacturing process from start to finish. We use most standard machine shop equipment and you'll need experience with tools like our CNC mill, turning center, water jet, and manual lathe, along with threaders, hydraulic presses, saws, and welders. You'll use paint, powder coat, and laser marking stations in addition to most standard hand tools. Attention to detail is very important on our manufacturing team. You'll report problems or quality concerns as soon as they occur and we'll work with you to find a solution. As a production machinist at Rare Parts, we have a few requirements. This is a hands-on position and you must be able to write, set up, run, and troubleshoot CNC programming. You should be proficient in AutoCAD and SolidWorks software, including understanding instructions, drawings, and blueprints. You should be able to accurately read precision and non-precision measuring tools like dials, calipers, and tape measures. You must be a reliable, responsible team player and able to maintain a reasonably clean workspace. If you have a passion for machining or automotive, we encourage you to apply. Here's some of the benefits to working at Rare Parts. You'll have a set schedule, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You'll get paid weekly, and we have donuts every Friday. If you like food, you'll love our birthday luncheons every month. We're easy to get to, located off I-5 in the Port of Stockton with easy access to Highway 4 and 99. You'll get paid time off for vacation, paid holidays, and sick leave, along with a bronze medical plan included and 401k options. We practice lean manufacturing, which is based on the Toyota production system. That means we believe in continually improving, and we know that our people are our greatest resource. You'll be encouraged to fix what bugs you, and we'll help you eliminate your struggles. Your skills and talents will be encouraged here. You'll be part of our company-wide meetings 3 times a week, and every morning we spend at least 15 minutes applying the 5 S's. We all help with cleaning common areas like bathrooms and break rooms, and we help each other with special projects. Interested in joining the team at Rare Parts? We look forward to learning more about you. You can find our application at rareparts.com/careers. Please be sure to submit the short video responses on your application. We welcome you to join our manufacturing team here at Rare Parts, and we look forward to hearing from you.